Hello everyone. Now, unfortunately, you cannot see your password while logged in if you forgot your password. The best that you can do is change your password while being logged in. Just go to your settings and change password. If you have access to the email that your account is authenticated with, you can just click this and it'll send you a code that you can type in, and then you'll be able to change your password. But if you don't have access to the email address, I recommend authorizing your phone number to your Steam account. So you can go here, you're gonna go to I forgot my password, enter your phone number, enter the earliest email that you've used, and the new email address you want to use. Now, if you don't have this information, you should contact Steam support by typing in the problem that you're having here and hoping they reply back. And of course, if this doesn't work, you can contact their support by writing an email to support@steampowered.com. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.